Alrighty, we got this house to do this morning. We're not cleaning the gutters. Well, we're cleaning the outside, but we're not cleaning out anything. Taped up that. As you can see, it's cobwebs, everything. Get this all nice and clean. It used to sit underneath a big tree, so that's why it's got all this stuff on it. And they had the tree taken down. Told not to worry about underneath here, but we need to get all that cleaned up. Come around here, get this, and I'll get the other side. People are out on the porch. Here we are putting on the solution, allowing it to work its magic. Should be a dramatic difference after we're done. Stay tuned. All right, we've worked our way over to the side of the house here. Sitting here and applying this. Trying to get some of this algae off this brick. All right, stay tuned for the outcome. All right, we're on some well water. So I'm running out of water on my buffer tank. So I'm just gonna take this time, walk you around and show what we got. See up here, it's nice and clean. I hit this for a second time. I'm letting it sit to kill it. You step back and see what a difference. We're not cleaning the chimney, but what a big difference is going on so far. It's a little tough working on well water and you're pumping out probably 5 or 6 gallons per minute. You can't keep up, but look at that dramatic difference. Client is astonished how well and bright his come out. Look at underneath here. She's pretty bright. I mean, how can you not like this? And I'm sure the neighbors are going to be astonished when they look out their window. Neighbors over there walk out and be like, holy smokes, how bright that house is. So this is what we got so far. We just got this deck left and the side of the house, and starting to drizzle rain. We're expected a nor'easter this weekend, and it's starting to rain already. And you can see everything melting off the house. It's great. Let's get this baby done. All right, we just finished up. Take a look at this deck. Pow. And the house is looking amazing. Big difference.